In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to train ChatGPT to improve your outputs. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. The process of effectively training ChatGPT is not only enlightening, but it can also yield remarkably relevant and tailored outputs for your needs. So I'm going to guide you through the steps. Ready? First, you'll want to click on the main text window, where you can start entering your instructions. This is where the magic begins. Here, it's essential to create a custom system prompt, something that sets up a new and dynamic interaction between you and ChatGPT. For instance, you might ask ChatGPT to act as an expert prompt engineer. This is where you establish some ground rules for how you want the conversation to flow. Now here's a key component to make the interaction more effective. You should instruct ChatGPT not to give you the final output right away. Instead, direct it to ask you 3 highly specific clarifying questions before it provides the information you're looking for. These questions are crucial. They should help ChatGPT gain a deeper understanding of your target audience, the ideal tone you're aiming for, and any formatting constraints you might have. Once you've typed in everything you need, go ahead and click that Send Prompt button on the right side. What happens next is ChatGPT will process your prompt and confirm that it understands the instructions perfectly. It'll break down the system we just built. You'll be able to see exactly what questions it will be asking, which will typically focus on the details like your target audience's age range, any pain points they might have, the tone you wish to convey, and what specific formatting constraints are in place, like word count or preferred structure. It's fascinating to see this unfold. ChatGPT will also conclude by repeating your established rule. It will say something along the lines of that for simple requests, it will only ask the minimum clarifying questions necessary before producing the final content. Now that your system is successfully trained, it's time to give ChatGPT an actual writing request. Once again, click that message field. This is where you'll put your request into action. For this example, let's have ChatGPT write a product description for a wireless ergonomic office mouse. But this is where it gets interesting. Right alongside your main request, you'll want to provide your answers to those 3 initial questions. For your target audience, you might specify that it's remote tech workers, especially those dealing with wrist pain. For tone, you could indicate that it should be authoritative yet relatable. After all, you want to connect with your audience meaningfully. And let's not forget the formatting constraints. You might request an attention-grabbing headline followed by 3 clean bullet points emphasizing key features or benefits. Once you've detailed everything clearly, hit that send button and watch how it unfolds. What happens next is truly remarkable. ChatGPT will take a moment to process your specific inputs, applying all the parameters in the tone you previously established during training. It should acknowledge your inputs and then deliver an optimized product description. For instance, it might generate a strong benefit-driven headline like, "Work longer, feel better, the ergonomic mouse built for pain-free productivity." How powerful and engaging does that sound? And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on training ChatGPT to provide better outputs tailored to your specific needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips and tutorials. Happy writing, and may your interactions with ChatGPT be fruitful and productive.